Dear students, we are learning chapter number 10 and today we are doing example 10.4. Write the product of following reaction. See, this reaction is given and we have to write its product. All reaction react with HBr, HCl in HBr. See, HBr means hydrogen attached with halogen, hydrogen attached with halogen and hydrogen attached with halogen, right? But in 11th standard, we already learned about Markovnikov rule and anti-Markovnikov rule. See, student, you have to remember only this thing. NLH means negative atom attached with lower hydrogen. Lower hydrogen. It is called Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule. So, what is anti-Markovnikov rule? Anti-Markovnikov rule is negative atoms attached with higher hydrogen. बस इतना change है. NHH. Negative ions attached with higher hydrogen. It is called anti-Markovnikov rule, and in anti-Markovnikov rule we always apply a peroxide. This reaction is always occur in a presence of peroxide. Right? See, but this HBr attached on a double bond, right? So बाकी जो है वो हमें कुछ नहीं देखना. We have to focus on only a double bond, right? So here double bond is present. What is a negative ion? Dear students, this Br is negative ion, right? This Br is negative and hydrogen is positive. So, Br, negative ion attached with lower hydrogen. So, which one has a lower hydrogen? See, here carbon is present. This carbon attached with these two hydrogen and this carbon attached with only one hydrogen. So, it has a less hydrogen. So, this Br attached on this and this hydrogen attached with this carbon. Okay, now form its product. Benzene, carbon attached with CH, but this bromine is attached on this carbon, Br. Double bond is converted into single bond. Carbon, here hydrogen, and hydrogen. See, our product is formed. Second, this Cl, it is a negative ion, it attack on a double bond. But किसके साथ attach होगा? Which has a lower hydrogen. This double bonded carbon, this carbon have a two hydrogen and this carbon have only one hydrogen. So this Cl is attached with this carbon and hydrogen attached with this carbon. Okay, it is very easy. So our product is CH3CH2. CH3, CH2 and this carbon attached with Cl, CH attached with Cl and double bond is converted into single bond and CH2 but एक hydrogen attached हुआ so CH3 is formed. What its name? 2-chlorobutane. Last one, HBr, but in presence of peroxide. See, dear students, here a peroxide is given. So, peroxide, we have to apply this anti-Markovnikov rule. Anti-Markovnikov rule, negative ion attached with a higher hydrogen. So, we have to focus on this double bonded carbon. Which carbon have a higher hydrogen? This carbon have a higher hydrogen. So, this Br attached with this carbon and hydrogen attached with this carbon. Now, please form your product. CH2, CH2, double bond convert in single bond, CH2 attached with Br. Okay, it is very easy. It's completed 10.4 question. Hello dear students, today we are doing example number 10.5. See here, reactant is given and we have to write its product. See, dear students, I told you in first lecture, when react with SOCl2, 1SO2 gas will release. So, SO2 gas will release. So, here, formation of OH जो है वो निकल जाएगा, उसकी जगह पे आ जाएगा Cl. 1SO2 gas will release and 1 HCl is a byproduct, right? Second reaction. This bromine, one bromine is attached with this carbon. NO2 and this benzene ring remain same. NO2 CH react with Br and here CH3. 1 HBr is a byproduct. Reaction third. Here one water molecule will release minus H2O. So draw a benzene ring, OH as it is, and here CH2 attached with this Cl. Okay. Fourth reaction. See this iodine attached with this carbon. So when iodine is attached with this carbon, this double bond will remove. So iodine attached on this carbon. Reaction number 5. See, ethyl bromide react with NaI. NaI कुछ याद करो, याद आ रहा है? NaI reagent कब हम यूज करते हैं? इन Finkelstein reaction. एंड Finkelstein reaction क्या है? हैलोजन एक्सचेंज. सो यहाँ पे क्या करना है? ओनली हैलोजन का एक्सचेंज करना है, राइट? सो क्या होगा? दिस बॉन्ड विल ब्रेक एंड ब्रोमीन जो है वो Na के साथ रिएक्ट करके बाहर निकल जाएगा and ABr and this iodine attached with this ethyl molecule CH3 CH2I. Okay. Reaction number 6. Br2 heat in UV rays. काफी बच्चे जो है वो यहाँ पे मिस्टेक करते हैं कि ये एक Br यहाँ पे अटैच करवा दिया, Br यहाँ पे अटैच करवा दिया. नो, यहाँ पे जो है वो Br कहाँ पे अटैच होगा? ऊपर. एंड दिस डबल बॉन्ड रिमेन एज इट इज. एंड यहाँ से जो हाइड्रोजन रिलीज हुआ है वो बाकी के एक Br मॉलिक्यूल के साथ अटैच होके HBr बाय प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म कर देगा, राइट? So here example number 10.5 is complete. Okay, it is very easy. So this all reaction are very easy. You have to do only practice.